Hey everyone, Christmas is right around the corner, and I bet you've seen those viral holiday videos on social media that everyone loves. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own magical Christmas video using AI. It's super easy, free, and trust me, it'll make you the star of the season. So grab some hot cocoa and let's dive in. Step 1. Meet the tool. Kapwing AI first. Let me introduce you to the hero of today's video, Kapwing AI. This is a free, beginner-friendly tool that helps you create amazing videos without needing fancy editing skills. Think of it as your digital elf, ready to make your holiday dreams come true. You just need your idea, and Kapwing will do the rest. Step 2. Plan your Christmas story. Every viral video starts with a great idea. Think about what makes Christmas special to you. Maybe it's decorating a tree, baking cookies, or Santa flying through the night sky. Write down a quick outline of your story, like a mini script. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. The AI will add the magic. Step 3. Generate visuals with AI now. Let's head over to Kapwing. Upload your video clips or images, or if you don't have any, use the tool's free stock footage. Kapwing's AI can automatically edit your footage, add transitions, and even generate festive effects like twinkling lights or snowfall. Just type in what you want. Santa in a snowy village, for example, and watch it come to life. Step 4. Add music and text. Next, let's add some Christmas vibes with music. Kapwing has a library of free holiday tunes, or you can upload your own. Don't forget to add captions or fun text effects like Merry Christmas or Ho Ho Ho. Kapwing's AI will make sure everything looks professional. And that's it. You've just created a viral-worthy Christmas video using AI. It's fast, fun, and free. If you try this, share your results in the comments. I'd love to see your festive creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tips. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.